How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Black Metal Rebellion. Jesse Morgan here, aka Slammerella, and as you can see, I'm up to my steampunk shit again. This time sporting the vest that I'm wearing here just for fun and these goggles so that I can reveal a new project that didn't take very long to do. And you saw the steampunk pants. Well, I did the same thing. You don't have to do them with just pants or that tactic with just pants. You can also do them with other things. And if you're into steampunk, normally your character has a satchel or some sort of carrying adventure bag, and I will show you mine now. All right, so here we go. This is the bag that I got. I already, as you can see, spray painted it here and got the painter's tape all along its sides. There's the top all taped off and everything. So now we're just going to take it off and do the revealing. I wanted a carrying satchel style thing for my adventures and my character Anarcho, the unfavorable, which hopefully you guys all dug the new track. It's not as punk as I imagined it, but it's definitely noisy. And it's definitely a little blackened, so that was unexpected. I wasn't expecting the higher range vocals that I was doing in it to be blackened. But it kind of just came out that way. So yeah, the straps on this were already leather and brown. And I didn't really want to spray paint over top of them, so I made sure I covered these up as well. So when I first got this thing, it was kind of like a dark grayish color, and I didn't want it to be all just that one color. And I wanted to add some pinstriping to it just to make it look a little bit more steampunk and go with my outfit. This will obviously kind of look sort of like my vest and pants. I'm also going to try and not make this as long as the other video, because I don't think people liked how long that was taking. So I'm just going to rip through this really quickly. I figured I'd just bring you guys along though, because it's cool to see how projects turn out and how well they turn out, or how well they don't turn out. So let me know if you guys are into steampunk, by the way, or if any of you guys have ever tried any steampunk things. That'd be cool to know if there's any fellow steampunkers that watch my channel. Also, let me know if you know any steampunk bands besides like Abbey Park and or Steam Power Giraffe. I don't like Steam Power Giraffe. They're way too quiet for my liking, or too soft for my liking. You hear any jangling in the background? My downstairs neighbor's cat found a cat toy. Felix is swatting it around. Almost done, I think. And of course, it wouldn't be a Black Metal Rebellion video if there wasn't dogs barking in the background. Alright, I think we're done. That went really fucking quick. So, lucky you. Alright, so, I'm going to take this off of here and let you guys see how that turned out. There we go. Just some simple pinstriping on each side there. Now along the bottom, there's some grommets at the bottom there too. Not exactly sure what you're supposed to do with grommets. Let me know in the comment section if you know what you're supposed to do with grommets. But yeah, so there we go. A satchel or adventurer's bag. Try it on, I guess. See if we can get a good angle here. Alright, so there we go. Just kind of hangs off to the side. Your adventurer person can keep whatever they want in it. I actually do have working snaps for this one, so that's nice. So it actually can stay secure. And if you're wondering where I got the satchel bag itself, it was just an easy pickup from Spirit Halloween. It was just an Indiana Jones bag, and I decided to, like I said, add some pinstripes to it to make it look a little bit more steampunk and a little more Victorian. I'll probably eventually add some patchwork to it and maybe some gears and stuff. I know that throwing on some gears and calling it steampunk is kind of cliche and kind of frowned upon, but you know, I'll eventually make it look decent and worthy of calling steampunk. Right now I'm still working through the basics. So there we go, that's the end of the video. Just a quick little DIY update on some steampunk stuff I've been doing. Got a vest, got the Anarcho glasses or goggles that you're used to seeing on my Anarcho face, and got my new steampunk adventurer satchel for all the, I don't know, secret items you're going to be stealing and packing away. Anyways, that's it. For glory, for the Rebel Alliance, Slammerella out. That fucking hurts. Yep, got a mark in my head now. Amazing.